Think nothing survives here? Think again. Hidden in forgotten places, life teaches powerful lessons. So, watch as an ivy plant climbs the wall of an abandoned building with an unmatched determination. Despite weak support and rough conditions, this little green warrior clings on, finding strength wherever it can. Patience grows its roots deeper. Adaptability guides its climb, illustrating nature's wisdom firsthand. As a result, against all odds, it transforms a lifeless structure into a symbol of resilience and hope. The unexpected twist? It flourishes, beautiful and wild, reminding us that renewal is possible anywhere, anytime. Nature's quiet message. In every setback, there's potential for a comeback. Keep watching nature's miracle unfold.